Welcome to a closer look at this 12-piece porcelain dinnerware set from Kingstone, a collection that proves you don't have to spend a fortune to bring a touch of elegance to your dining table. If you are looking for a way to refresh your kitchen aesthetic or searching for a practical yet beautiful gift, this set is currently making waves for its balance of style and affordability. When you first unbox this set, the visual impact of the pad-painted patterns is immediate. The design features sophisticated striped motifs that give off a handcrafted artisanal vibe. Because these are pad-painted, each piece has a level of detail that looks far more expensive than the actual price tag suggests. You get service for 4, which includes 4 10.5-inch dinner plates, 4 7.6-inch side plates, and 4 cereal bowls that measure about 5.4 inches across. It is a complete foundation for any meal, from a quick breakfast to a more formal dinner. The material here is genuine porcelain. Now, why does that matter? Porcelain is fired at higher temperatures than standard ceramic or stoneware, making it more durable and non-porous. This is exactly what you want for daily use because it resists staining and is generally tougher against chips. Despite that durability, these pieces maintain a nice weight. They feel substantial in your hand without being overly heavy or clunky. One of the biggest selling points for modern households is convenience, and this set delivers on that front. These pieces are fully microwave and dishwasher safe. You can heat up leftovers or run them through a heavy cleaning cycle without worrying about the beautiful patterns fading or the plates cracking under heat. The bowls are particularly well-sized. They are deep enough for a generous serving of soup or cereal, and their 2.8-inch height makes them easy to stack in your cabinets, saving you precious storage space. The reviews for this set are overwhelmingly positive, currently sitting at a 4.9-star rating. Users consistently mention that the quality exceeded their expectations. One reviewer noted that the set looks much more expensive in person, while another highlighted how well the colors pop against a standard tablecloth. There is a boutique feel to the stripes that fits perfectly into a variety of home decors, whether you prefer a minimalist modern look or something a bit more traditional. In terms of value, this set is a standout. It's often listed at a significant discount, sometimes as much as 77% off its original price, making it an accessible entry point for anyone moving into a new apartment or looking to replace a mismatched collection of old dishes. Plus, because it's shipped from a local warehouse, the delivery is incredibly fast, often arriving in just a couple of business days. To make the deal even better, you can use the exclusive coupon code COM93176 at checkout for an additional discount on your purchase. To wrap things up, the Kingstone 12-piece dinnerware set is a fantastic marriage of form and function. It offers the durability of porcelain, the convenience of being dishwasher safe, and a high-end look that belies its budget-friendly price. It's a simple upgrade that makes every meal feel a little more special. If you've been waiting for a reason to level up your tabletop game, this might just be the perfect opportunity. Don't forget to use that code COM93176 to save even more. Thank you for watching and enjoy your next meal in style.